Hi, I'm Willie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you need IT consulting, go to williehowe.com, fill out that contact form, and someone will be in touch with you as soon as possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to answer a couple of different questions today about the UniFi Building Bridge. So we did that video last week. There were a couple questions. I just want to take a minute to answer those. So the first question is, can we disable the LED? And the answer is, if you go into configuration, yes, you can. So under this AP LED and this station LED, by default, it's like every other UniFi device with an LED, it's going to use the site settings. And we can actually turn the LED off on the AP, and we can turn it off on the station. So I'll save both of those. So now the LEDs are completely off. Now, I don't know if it changes the icon here to show that, but... And the other question, you can see here that I've got 876 megabits of link capacity. So that doesn't mean that that's my actual throughput, but that does mean that that's my capacity. Now, we could do a speed test and see what we're actually getting. It'd probably be a little unfair considering how close these are, but maybe we'll still do it here. Right now it says we're passing 2.21 megabits. I don't have much going on there. And no, it did not. Since we had those configured green, it did stay like that. So the other question is, what happens if we double our bandwidth on the link? So let's take a look at that. We'll go to radios, and on this 60 gigahertz, we're on channel 2, and we're running at a 1080. So if we take this and we double it to 2160, we will cue the change, and we will apply the changes, and let's see what happens. Now, I'm likely going to temporarily lose connection here while those reconfigure and provision. It doesn't look like I've lost the connection yet, so we'll see what happens. I don't know that we're going to see that much of a difference. I mean, you would think in theory we would at least get a quarter, maybe a third throughput. I don't know. We'll see what happens, you know. Whoa. All right, so it says that the link capacity is 1.75 gigabits per second. So we're chewing up a huge chunk of bandwidth, and we got 1.75 gigabits. Now, obviously, at 500 meters, we're probably not going to have that unless we have absolute ideal conditions. But let's run a speed test real quick. In speed test, we're going to go ahead and fire this up. Now, I do have a gigabit down connection. But you've got to remember too how this is going. So I've got a bunch of devices cooking in the house right now, not necessarily on this system. So this is about what I expected to see, between 500 and 600 megabits per second down. But I think we're still going to see that same speed. I think, you know, we are maxing. Let's take a look at this. So the link speed here says 262 megabits per second. It's got a 99% link capacity. I mean, in theory, right, you double your effective bandwidth. So real quick, let's go back to the configuration just to see if there's anything else that we might have missed in the last video. We can change the management VLAN. We're not going to do that. The network, we can put UniFi static IPs on there if you've seen my static IP video. And then we've got the manage device section down here. I'm going to do an entire video just on that alignment tool, but this has everything else. Now, these do not have the terminal. So that's it. I'm actually going to change my, real quick, I'm going to change the channel width back to 1080. I'm going to cue that real quick and apply it. and then we'll redo that speed test. We'll see what happens here. It's still provisioning. I don't think we're going to see any difference, to be honest with you. I mean, I've only got a gigabit down. You saw the link capacity previously. Right now, still sitting at 1.75 gigabits per second because we doubled that bandwidth. We'll see what happens when this is done provisioning. Almost done. Okay, so we're back down to 876 megabits. You'll also notice that we've got 100% link quality. We should have. There's like the only way to get any better than what we're at probably is to put it in a vacuum. I mean, there's no other 60 gigahertz stuff around here. So let's rerun our speed test. So we're going to run it here. And, you know, this is going out to the internet. So, yeah, it's going to crank up to about where we were at before. Yeah, between 500 and 600. See, so it's really not making a difference. So if you've got any more questions about these, I am going to do that alignment video. But if you've got any more specific questions about these, let me know down in the comments. I will do a video on the Air Max version of this product. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please comment and share. Please follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Those links are down below. If you want to support the channel by joining our Patreon or using our affiliate links, those are all down below. Don't feel pressured to do that. They are marked as affiliate links. They don't change your price, but they do kick a couple bucks to the channel. If you need IT consulting, go to williehowe.com, fill out that contact form, and someone will be in touch with you as soon as possible. Once again, I'm Willie. I want to thank you for being here, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.